Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are surrounded by the Tuscan hills. Have a look at this view. We are really close to Florence and close by as well to Rufina and Pontassieve. And we are about to visit together an incredible villa with its own Italian garden, swimming pool and private chapel. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is immersed in the green, on top of a hill dominating the whole valley right below. Up here, the atmosphere is enchanting. There is total silence and privacy. And I have to say, you really feel in touch with the nature surrounding this place. It is located about 5 kilometers away to Rufina with all of the services and about 30 minutes drive away to Pontassieve and Florence. In terms of airports, it is very close to the airport of Florence. Then it is about 1 hour and a half to the airport of Pisa and about 1 hour and 50 minutes to the airport of Bologna. The villa is located in a spot where it is believed was once some sort of fortification, whether a watchtower or a small castle. The original building has been reworked over the centuries and took its current aspect probably at the beginning of the 20th century. The house closely resembles the manorial Florentine villas, but at the same time includes elements that are typical of castles, such as the crenellated tower and the glacis at its base. The property can be accessed through 2 independent gates, both of which lead to the parking space that can host several cars, whilst on this other side of the villa, facing the front facade, we have this beautiful Italian garden, also can be called Giardino all'italiana, that enriches even more this property. All of this is right in front of this unspoiled Tuscan view that literally takes your breath away. Right in front of the villa, we find this cute chapel. It has been fully restored and it is currently not used. But for sure, it is a nice detail for a property like this. This area is mostly shaded by these huge ancient trees that complete the already enchanting atmosphere. Right beside the terrace, we find this impressive 13 by 8 meters swimming pool with saltwater filtration system. Right now it is covered because we are in the winter time, but let me show you what it looks like in the summer days. The villa is 645 square meters with a total of 9 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms laid on 3 levels. Let's start with the ground floor. The entrance door straight away opens into this large, bright and broad area, completely paved with this gorgeous terracotta that on the right brings us to this entertainment space dedicated to this beautiful pool table, perfect for an after-dinner lunch. As we keep walking, on the right we find a really bright and broad space currently used as an art studio. It also has direct access into the garden. Have a look. Whilst on the other side we get to the entrance to the housekeeper's apartment. It actually has its own independent entrance from outside. And over here we find a staircase to go upstairs, and through that other door we get to a huge storage room, very useful. Let me show you. Connected to the storage room we find this beautiful, huge space. It is used as a gym. At the moment it's equipped for ballet dancing, and it has underfloor heating, its own bathroom and shower. Right behind me, have a look at this beautiful exposed stone wall. Over here we have direct garden access, and let me show you another little detail. Another cute space I'd like to show you is the limonaia over here, that can be accessed from the outside through this door, or through the gym there is another door. It is used to store lemons or flowers in the winter time. The first floor of the home is where we find all of the main living spaces. Let's start with the kitchen over here. It is very cozy and homey. It is divided into kitchen space here, and right beside there is a dining area with its direct access into a huge terrace. Right by the kitchen we find this huge living area with this gorgeous stone fireplace right in the middle, ideal for the winter days. If you have a look at the ceilings, you notice how many gorgeous details there are. This room is also connected on this side to an independent outdoor access by the swimming pool we've seen earlier. And on this other side we get to the front terrace that is also connected to the kitchen. Have a look. Let me now show you a few of the rooms that are connected to this living area. On this side, through this door, we get to a nice dining room that could also easily be turned into a bedroom, whilst on the other side of the room we get through this other door that brings us to two of the bedrooms, one on the left and one on the right, that share a large bathroom in the middle. Last but not least, through this door, but it can actually also be accessed through the hallway right behind, there is a living area that could also be used as a bedroom or as an office space. Have a look. The third floor starts with this hallway that connects the rest of the bedrooms. On this side we find two of them, and as we keep going over here we get to a really large bathroom with its shower, and right beside another large bedroom. Lastly, we have this huge under roof space divided into two big areas. This is the first one and is covered with this beautiful parquet floor and could easily be turned into an independent apartment with sitting, dining and living areas with kitchen over here. And as we keep going, a large bedroom and a huge bathroom. And this is the other huge under roof space I told you about. It is right beside the one we've just seen, and it is currently used as a really large suite. But given these proportion and all of this space, it could really be turned into anything. Now let me show you through these steps we get to the top floor tower. And have a look at this rooftop incredible terrace. It has this gorgeous 360 degrees view into the Tuscan countryside. And what better place to end today's property tour. This property is perfect for someone that loves Tuscany, at the same time would like to be very close to Florence, and in the meanwhile wants to be immersed in the green surrounded by nature. I hope you enjoyed this property, and before I leave you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. I will see you soon. Ciao!